Welcome! Are you ready to improve your English skills and connect with the world? Let's start learning today.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Miss English Tutor, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hello, everyone. It is so great to be here with you again today.
I am extra happy today. Do you know why?
Why? Tell me.
My sister called me this morning. We talked for 1 whole hour.
1 whole hour. You must be very close.
We are. We talk every week. She lives in another city, so we call a lot.
That is so sweet. And that actually brings us perfectly to our topic today.
Oh yes. Today our topic is how to talk about your family in English.
I love this topic. Family is something everyone has and everyone loves to talk about.
Exactly. And it is one of the most common conversation topics for beginners.
So this is a perfect episode for all our listeners who are just starting their English journey.
Absolutely. But before we start, everyone, please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and click the like button, and please share this episode with a friend or family member who is learning English.
It really helps us so much. Okay, speaker 2, let's begin.
Let's start with the most basic question. Do you have a big family or a small family?
That's a great first question. Simple and easy to answer.
For me, I would say I have a big family. There are 6 people in my family.
And I would say I have a small family, just my parents and my sister.
Good. Notice the phrase, there are. You can use it to talk about numbers in your family.
Right. There are 4 people in my family. Easy and clear.
Now let's talk about family words. These are called family vocabulary.
Good idea. Let's start with the most important ones.
Mother and father. These are your parents.
You can also say mom and dad. These are more casual and friendly.
Right. My mom is a teacher. Sounds very natural in everyday conversation.
Then we have brother and sister. Together, we call them siblings.
Siblings. That means all your brothers and sisters together.
Exactly. I have 2 siblings, 1 brother and 1 sister.
Then we have grandparents. That's grandfather and grandmother.
You can also say grandpa and grandma. Very warm and affectionate.
Affectionate. That means showing love, right?
Exactly. Words like grandma and grandpa feel very warm and loving.
What about aunts and uncles?
Your aunt is your mother or father's sister. Your uncle is their brother.
And their children are your cousins. Right. I have 5 cousins on my mother's side.
On my mother's side. That means from your mother's family, not your father's.
Exactly. That's a very useful phrase.
What about only child? Is that a common expression?
Yes. If you have no brothers or sisters, you say, I am an only child.
I am an only child, actually.
Really? What was that like growing up?
It was quiet. Very quiet. But I had a lot of attention from my parents.
That's sweet. Okay, now let's talk about how to describe your family members.
Good idea, because saying, I have a brother is just the beginning.
Exactly. You want to add more details to make the conversation interesting.
So after saying who they are, you can talk about their age.
Right. My brother is 25 years old, or he is 2 years older than me.
Then you can talk about what they do, their job or their studies.
Like, my father is an engineer. He works for a big company.
Or my younger sister is still in school. She is in the 8th grade.
Great examples. Then you can talk about their personality.
Personality. That means what they are like as a person.
Exactly. My mom is very kind and patient. She never raises her voice.
And my uncle is very funny. He always makes everyone laugh at family dinners.
I love that. Family dinners are such a nice topic, too.
Let's talk about family time. What do families do together?
Common activities are eating together, going on trips, watching movies, or celebrating holidays.
A good sentence is, every Sunday, my whole family has lunch together.
Or we always travel together in the summer. It's our family tradition.
Tradition. That means something you do regularly, every year, as a family habit.
Exactly. It is our tradition to cook a big meal on New Year's Eve. Quick reminder for everyone. If you are enjoying this episode, please give it a thumbs up. And comment the word family below, along with one thing your family loves to do together. We would love to read your comments. Okay, let's talk about some very useful expressions about family. Oh yes, English has some wonderful expressions about family. Let's start with the apple doesn't fall far from the tree. I know this one. It means a child is very similar to their parent. Exactly. She looks just like her mother. The apple doesn't fall far from the tree. What about blood is thicker than water? What does that mean? It means family relationships are stronger than any other relationship. So even if you have a fight with a family member, you still love them.
Exactly. We disagreed a lot, but blood is thicker than water. We always make up.
Makeup. That means to forgive each other after a fight, right?
Exactly right. And here is one more expression. To run in the family.
Like a talent or a quality that many family members share.
Exactly. Being musical runs in our family. My grandfather played guitar, my father plays piano, and I play drums.
That's such a beautiful example. Talents and habits really do run in families.
They do. Now let's also talk about modern family words.
Good idea. Families today look very different from the past.
Right. Some children have step-parents. That's a parent who married their mother or father later.
Like, my stepfather is very kind. He's been in my life since I was 7.
And a half-brother or half-sister shares only one parent with you.
These are all normal and common in many families today.
Absolutely. Family comes in all shapes and sizes.
Let's also mention the word guardian.
A guardian is someone who takes care of a child when the parents are not able to.
Like a grandparent or an aunt who raises a child.
Exactly. My grandmother was my guardian growing up. She raised me.
These vocabulary words help us describe all kinds of family situations naturally.
Now let's put it all together with a short role play.
I love role plays. What is the scene this time?
2 new classmates are getting to know each other. They start talking about family.
Perfect for beginners. I will start.
Go ahead.
So, do you have a big family or a small family?
I have a medium-sized family. There are 5 of us. My parents, my 2 brothers, and me.
Oh, nice. Are your brothers older or younger than you?
One is older and one is younger. I am right in the middle.
That is fun. What do your parents do?
My mom is a nurse and my dad is a teacher. What about your family?
I am an only child. It is just me and my parents.
Oh, what is that like?
Quiet, but very close. We do everything together.
That is so sweet. Do you have any cousins at least?
Yes, I have 3 cousins on my father's side. We meet every summer. It is our family tradition.
I love that. Family traditions are the best. And scene. That was such a warm and natural conversation.
It really was. You can feel how easy it is once you have the right vocabulary.
Exactly. Let us quickly review everything for our listeners.
Okay, first, basic family words. Mother, father, brother, sister, grandparents, aunt, uncle, cousins, and only child.
Then, how to describe family members, their age, their job, and their personality.
Next, family activity phrases. We always have lunch together, and it is our family tradition.
Don't forget the expressions. The apple doesn't fall far from the tree. Blood is thicker than water and runs in the family.
And modern family words. Step-parent, half-sibling, and guardian.
That is a very complete guide for talking about your family in English.
I think all our listeners can go and have a full family conversation in English now.
I believe that too. You have all the tools you need. Just practice and be confident.
And remember, talking about family is one of the warmest topics in any language.
It really is. Thank you all so much for listening today.
If this episode helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend or family member who is learning English.
And remember to comment family below and tell us one thing your family loves to do together.
We cannot wait to read your comments. They make us so happy.
We will see you all in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye!
Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to subscribe to Ms. English Tutor for more.